Good morning, everyone. My name is Maria Briceno, and I'm going to be presenting to you my project called The Importance of the Universe and Its Components. The universe is known as everything we can sense, touch, feel, or measure. This includes living things, planets, stars, light, and time. Before the universe, time, space, and matter did not exist. It is said that the universe is infinite because no one has ever seen the edge. However, all we do know is that the visible universe is at least 93 billion light years. According to scientists, the universe has not always been the same size. They believe it began in a Big Bang, which took place nearly 14 billion years ago. Since then, the universe has been expanding non-stop. Astrobiology and astrochemistry. According to the NASA, the term astrobiology could be used to describe the expanding study of life in the universe. The central goal of astrobiology is to find evidence of past or present life beyond Earth, if it ever existed. Just like astrobiology, astrochemistry is an essential part of the study of the universe. Astrochemists look at how atoms, molecules, ions, and free radicals interact outside of Earth's atmosphere. They contribute to the understanding of geological processes on other planets, and they explore conditions under which life might form by examining molecules on other planets and in outer space. Why is it important to know about what's beyond? For humans, one of the most important things is the development of knowledge. Studying and doing research has led humans to discover the world as it is today. Science should be considered as an endeavor to benefit society. By being curious and open to do research and to go beyond what's already given, we could uncover the truth behind hidden realities and solve many problems we are facing today. For example, studying black holes will help us to understand gravity. Discoveries change the way that we see the universe, even if they don't have a specific connection with our daily life. For example, also, the science behind Global Positioning System, GPS, would not have happened without scientists thinking how does the universe work. Studies. The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is how astronomers explain the way the universe began. It's the idea that the universe began as just a single point, then expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is right now, and it could still be stretching. The evidence in support of this theory are the movement of galaxies away from us, which we call redshift, and the abundance of light elements such as hydrogen and helium in the universe. The string theory is another popular theory of the universe, and according to this theory, everything in the universe, from stars to dust particles on Earth, are made of very tiny mathematical strings. If a string vibrates a certain way, it could be an electron. If it vibrates another way, it could be a photon of light. Dark matter and dark energy. Studies have shown that the universe contains mysterious matter and energies in addition to normal matter, which is composed of atoms. Dark matter is the missing matter that the laws predict for galaxies to maintain their shape. Dark energy is the mysterious energy of space that is believed to propelling the galaxies so powerfully, making the expansion of the universe accelerate. Scientists believe that if they could improve the understanding of that dark energy, they could harness this new source of energy for Earth. The study of chemistry includes finding out about atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions. Elements are made up of atoms of one kind. Atoms of elements can react to form molecules, sometimes of the same element, for example, chlorine, or sometimes with different elements forming compounds, for example, hydrogen chloride. Iron is iron whether you find it on Earth or in space, but conditions in space are different from those on Earth and different reactions may occur. Reaction of elements to form more complex compounds, such as amino acids, are key to the study of chemistry in space. Interstellar space is the name given to the space between the stars, and this is made up of clouds of gases and dust particles, where a lot of interesting reactions are occurring even though we don't see them. No life beyond Earth has ever been found. There is no evidence that alien life has ever visited our planet. However, this doesn't mean that the universe is lifeless. While no clear signs of life have ever been detected, the possibility of extraterrestrial biology has grown increasingly. Many people think that it is all fiction, but the universe is infinite, and to me, it is impossible to accept the idea that we are the only ones living in it. Here I have some facts that I found very interesting. The first one being that the Earth is not flat, but the universe is. The second one, most of the universe cannot be seen. 96% of the universe is made up of substances that cannot be seen or easily comprehended. And the last one, our solar system's biggest mountain is on Mars. This mountain, which is like a volcano, is 3 times the height of the Mount Everest. My interest in the universe and its relationship with my major. Since I was young, I've always liked to think that the world is full of mysteries for us to discover. I have always been interested in science and nature. Doing this project and choosing this topic was very opening for me because I got the chance to investigate more and become more passionate and curious about what's beyond Earth. To me, it's essential to have an interest and respect for the universe and its components because, at the end of the day, it is our home, our past, our present, and our future. My major is biology, and as a biologist, I get to study life and living organisms. This project is related to my career because I research about the life of the universe, the importance, and its components. I got a deep involvement with astrobiology, which is a field of study that comes from biology itself. Thank you so much for your attention.